I literally called the top on silver about 2 days ago. It was actually last Friday, and that was before we actually topped out. And then I dropped a video inside of Nordic Alpha where I told everybody exactly where, if we gapped up on Sunday when the markets opened back up for futures, if we faded, where you could catch a nice long. And spoiler alert, they did catch that long, and it was about a 9x risk to reward trade. Now, this is not the only time that I've called the top. I also called the exact top within $16 of gold on the same day, on Friday, and I called the top of gold back in October inside of Nordic Alpha as well, and on my YouTube channel. I just didn't give a trade about it on the YouTube channel because that's not what I do, right? I give the trades inside of Nordic Alpha. And that was at $4,400 when we double topped, had a swing failure pattern and a bearish divergence at those all-time highs, and we absolutely faded all the way back down to $4,000. So this is the third top, technically, that I have called inside of 2025. And if you don't know who I am Drew Wolfer, and I am a verified pro trader at verifiedinvesting.com. I run the Smart Money Commodity Service, and I am also a commodities expert, okay? I do have a 91.5% live documented and tracked win rate inside of just 2025 alone on the assets that we're going to be talking about in this video, which are gold and then obviously silver, which is the real topic of this video, okay? Now, I do have a significant amount of my net worth in silver and gold physically, so I do want to see gold and silver like going to the moons of Jupiter in the future, right? And I do see them continuing to go up in 2026. The only thing was I'm a trader as well, okay? And I saw silver going up in this parabolic, ridiculously parabolic nature, right? That there were all these false narratives that were being painted. And if you want to understand what those narratives are, go to this video that I'm popping up on the screen right now, and I will, be glad to tell you all of the reasons why those narratives are all false, everything they were feeding you about Shanghai, $100 Shanghai prices, everything about the not being able to export anything from China in 2026, all the way down to the supply crunch and the supply shortage, and also the industrial, nature and demand of silver. I kind of shoot all of that in the proverbial foot in that video, so feel free to get in there. But this video is going to be about technical analysis and showing you exactly how I called the top. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually play a clip of the video on Friday of me calling the almost exact top, right around $80 to $82, and I'll show you exactly where we rejected from, and then you can be the judge of that, and we'll talk about how you can call this out for yourself after we play the clip. Bottom to the top here, and let me just make sure that it's perfect. Your next resistance is going to be right here at $79, $78.50 to $79, and then the next one after that is about $80.94. Okay, so you're going to be running into some pretty decent resistance there. And then if you look at this 2008 one, from these lows to these lows, drag it up to the highs, same resistance, right around 78 to 80 bucks, right? So it's pretty cut and dry as to where our resistance is. Now that you see exactly what I'm talking about, right? And exactly how I called it out, I want to show you inside of the charts exactly what that meant, right? Because there's a reason why I said, hey, these are the resistances and these are going to be our supports, okay? So let's get inside of the chart, because really all you needed was one thing, and that is my proprietary deviation tool, okay? And my proprietary deviation tool is a range tool where I essentially come and I find the ranges, okay? And we can do this on the weekly chart. It'll make it a little bit easier. So if you zoom in here, you'll see that on the weekly chart, I just drew it from the previous all-time high, which is at about 50 bucks, down to the subsequent low that came. That was back in 2011, right? All the way down to the subsequent low that came in, I believe it was March of 2020, okay? And then this is my full range. So what does this range mean, okay? This means extreme discount. You are in an extreme discount of this range. So whenever you dip into this, this is a strong buy, right? This is regular discount. So this is like an okay buy. It's not necessarily super strong, but it's also not unnoteworthy, right? So you want to make sure that you take note when you're in the discount section. This is your equilibrium price of the range, right? This is where you get into your premium section, where it's like, okay, this might be where we want to sell, right? And this is extreme premium. Now, what I've noticed is that whenever you have these ranges, you will deviate outside of them sometimes, right? And so what I have is these two proprietary deviation zones that will tell you where you could deviate outside of those range. This is deviation zone 1, and this is deviation zone 2, right? So what you'll see is we actually went right up and smacked into deviation zone 2. We blasted straight through deviation zone 1, which really nullified it and told me, hey, we're coming up here to somewhere in the $73 to about $80 range, right? Because that's where deviation zone 2 was. And so I was, talking about this, and then I was like, okay, is this going to be good enough, right? Because you can see we close that candle perfectly right at it, right? Or we, open that candle, that's our high, right? And boom, we've blasted down to the bottom end of it, and we wicked through it up to about $82 on the futures chart. But I was like, is that enough, right? So I'm going to give you a second thing that I also did. I also did what was called my parabolic parallel, okay? And this is my all-time parallel. And for this, we can go to the monthly chart and I can show you. So like by having just these two things, right, and understanding them, and I'm not going to tell you what those deviation zones are. That is not something anyone is going to give you away for free on a YouTube video. Just know, and you can see them working right in front of your eyes, right? Just know that when I measured from the tops here and I measured it down to the very bottom, it gave me my deviation zone right up here at about $80, right? And if you wick through it, yeah, you could get up to 82, maybe even 83 bucks, as I was talking about in that video. But as you can see, just went straight up to it and then bam, just wicked right into it, wicked right out of it, right? Then if you look at my other parallel from the bottoms, it mirrors the same type of resistance, right? 78 to about $82 is the midpoint of that second deviation zone, okay? And so what I actually told people inside of Nordic Alpha, and what I've actually been telling people on YouTube for about 2 weeks now, is gold and silver could crash here, and here's why. Here's the top on gold and silver, right? Here's, the top on gold and silver is in, where silver's run stops, and all that stuff. And I've been calling out these levels and saying, hey, I don't know when the exact top is, but what I do know is these are going to be our resistance levels. Now, did a couple of those resistance levels, because I've been talking about this since we hit about 64 bucks, $65, right? Because our last trade before this was, and this is where you can go and check my win rate if you want to. In 2025, it's 91.75% in just gold and silver, right? Now, if you look at the trade that we took, our last trade right here, right? And I got to move over here. You can see that our last trade, our last 5 trades on silver were actually longs, okay? And our last trade was from $61 up to $64. And this is where I started calling out everything and saying, hey, we're probably going to be getting a top here soon. And then, we did, right? And so actually yesterday, it wasn't yesterday, it was 2 days ago. It was on Saturday, and then we opened on Sunday morning. I actually gave out inside of this video, I gave out a long scenario from Friday where I basically said, hey, if we come down here to this 0.618 and we retrace to this naked daily VWAP right here, we could bounce, and then you could, obviously, pick up a nice long position down there. And that's exactly what happened. And then we just sold that long position at the 0.618 fib. And I basically told everybody, hey, if you caught the long setup that I gave you on Friday, just respect it and protect it, right? That's all you got to do. And then I, alerted everybody of the 0.618 rejection. And then as you can see, you had about 3 chances to get out on that. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3 candles, and bam, you had 3 chances to get out before the big, nasty fall. Now, did most people get in on the actual short here? Probably not, because when they closed out this long, it was like midnight here on a Sunday, after a holiday weekend. So, you know, did you get this short? Probably not, but you know, it is what it is. So, you know, this is what you can expect inside of Nordic Alpha. And as you can see, we took that long from $75.87 up to almost $80 to that resistance, boom, and then took it right back down. And as you can see, we rejected from that level, just like I was talking about earlier, and just like I was talking about in the video clip that we were talking about, or that I played for you earlier. So if that is something that interests you, get inside of Nordic Alpha, man. Wouldn't it be nice? I mean, even if you're not a trader and you're just an investor, wouldn't it be nice to kind of have that analysis every single day for less than $1 a day, right? It's $29 a month to be in there. And I've called the tops 3 times, twice on gold and once on silver this year. Wouldn't it be nice to know where the tops and bottoms are? At the very least, that would probably be the worth of the price of admission for anybody that is a gold or silver investor as well. And if you obviously want to take the trades, have at it. You know, I give the trades out, and you know, people, can't tell people to take a trade. I just give them the levels, and you know, they got to set their alerts, and if they want to take the trades, they can. So that is something you can absolutely do inside of Nordic Alpha. And if you like content like this, man, you know, I appreciate you showing up. Just absolutely, just give me a like. Make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. Make sure that you seriously subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss this type of analysis any further. And then obviously I will be looking forward to seeing you all inside of Nordic Alpha very soon. It is $29 right now, but I can assure you it will likely be going up in price. This is the least expensive it'll ever be, and it'll probably go up in 2026. So everybody have a wonderful day and have a wonderful holiday week, and I will see you all soon.